Hi everyone, this is Adam Virgil, and I want to go over two features that were not covered in the main video. The first is your ability to select positions to include or exclude from your lists. So this tool is for running positions, and we have running backs and fullbacks, both checked off. If we decide to uncheck the running backs, our list will only include fullbacks. If we include running backs back in, then they'll include everybody, and we can also exclude fullbacks if we'd like to. That also works in the version where you add in your own data. So it's not in the filter area this time though. It's down by where the table is, where we sort and filter everything else. So if we don't want to include running backs, we uncheck them here. If we do, we can check them back in. Same for fullbacks. This will be important when we get to defensive positions and for pass catching positions where you want to filter tight ends and wide receivers and such. The second feature, which is only available in the NFL player comparison area, is we added a longevity score, or not a score, but a longevity bonus opportunity. What that means is we are giving a longevity bonus to players that have played over a certain number of games in seasons. So if you set the number of games here in this cell to 12, what we're doing is we are giving bonus points for each season that the player has played over 12 games in. So we saw how a couple of things changed. Players that have been around for a little bit longer and played in a lot of games in their seasons moved up in the list. If we set it to 8 games, now we're adding points for all players. For each season, a player has played in more than 8 games in their season. If you set it to 0, we do not add any longevity points for anybody. And now we have some younger players move up to the top of this list. So I hope this video is helpful, and I'll see you in another one.